welcome back! Today I will show you how to make action figure toys and box designs using ChatGPT. First, install ChatGPT, then open and log in using your Google account. Upload the image you want to use. Here I use Ariel Noah's photo as a test subject. Then copy the prompt that I have provided in the description of this video. You can change the gender, studio background, and your name, of course. If so, copy and then paste the prompt and hit the Generate button. Wait a few moments, ChatGPT will make it for you. While the image is done, I think it looks good, but the face doesn't look the same. It's okay, we'll fix it later. If you feel the box is too small, you can ask ChatGPT to fix it. You can change any part you want. Just ask ChatGPT to make it again. Save image when you are done. Next, go to remaker.ai/face-swap-free to fix the face to make it more similar. Select multiple faces. Then upload the image that we want to fix. Then upload an image according to the face you want to replace. Okay, maybe that's all. If this video is useful, leave a like and comment. Subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.